This is the Anker Soundcore Q10i, a budget over-ear headphones that is currently sold in Nigeria for 50,000 to 60,000 naira, which is equivalent to $65 to $78 as at the time of making this video. Now, without taking much of your time, let's get right to the unboxing. Inside the box, you will get the USB-A to USB-C charging cable, the quick smart guide, and then the headphones folded in its disposable box. My first impression of the Q10i headphones is how light the headphones are, and this is owed to the fact that the headphones are mostly made of plastic. The Anker Soundcore Q10i has buttons on the right ear only, an on and off button, a button to control the volume. Also on the right earpiece is a USB-C connection for charging, as well as an LED to indicate the working status of the headphones at that moment. There is also a 3.5mm port for connecting to other analog devices. The buttons on the headphones have two functions. For example, pressing the power button to pause the music or answer a call, a long press to launch the assistant, and the audio buttons to switch between songs. While the Q10i is not designed for voice calls, the headphones also have an inbuilt microphone which is also located in the right ear cup. The audio quality of the Q10i is excellent. While these headphones does not have an active noise cancellation, they offer passive noise cancellation due to them completely covering your ear. It has a bass boost button, so if you like an extra punch from the beat you are listening to, all you have to do is to just turn it on. The ear cushions are soft and very comfortable to wear for long periods of time. They are also foldable, making it convenient to fit in a bag and to travel with. Although to me, I feel like the ear cushions with the leather-like covering may be subject to degrading with prolonged contact with body oil. Also, the ear cups flex to accommodate different head shapes. Bluetooth pairing was easy. It paired to my MacBook and my iPhone very easily. The battery life of this Q10i is indeed 60 hours plus on a single charge, and the USB-C cable quick charges them from 0 to 100% in about an hour. These headphones have 40mm drivers that support a wide frequency range of 16 Hz to 40 kHz. In overall, the Q10i headphones are simple yet durable, and they do have great sound for the price. If this review was valuable to you, please like this video so it will reach more people, and also subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.